Hi everyone, so today I'm unboxing Xiaomi Mi 6S, which is also called Xiaomi Mi A2, which they launched last week and I got in the first sale. So let's unbox it. So this is the box packing, outer box packing you can say. So here is the box. So I got something from Xiaomi of 100 RMB and this cost me 1599 RMB. This is 4GB and 64GB RAM. They have three models, 4GB, 6GB and 6GB with 128GB storage. So this phone has Snapdragon 660 and it supports dual camera with AI mode, and this is 4GB and 64GB RAM. So let's open it. So let's see what's inside. So here we have some instruction manual and warranty card, all in Chinese as usual. So this phone doesn't have 3.5mm audio jack, and here's the pin to open it, and this one is the silicone cover. So here is our phone, Xiaomi 6X. Let's see the charger. So this phone supports fast charging, but this is just the normal charger, 5V 2.0 ampere. The charger is a little small, and this is USB-C type charging cable. So Xiaomi 6X support dual 20 megapixel camera with AI support, Snapdragon 360. So this is full HD plus display 5.99, and the dual camera 12 megapixel and 20 megapixel. It's only 7.3 mm thick and the weight is 166 grams. The front facing camera is 20 megapixel with f1.75 aperture, Sony IMX376 sensor. On the top is IR blaster, no audio jack. On the bottom have USB-C and two external speakers. So on the back side you can see there is a fingerprint lock and the dual camera. The primary one is 12 megapixel and the secondary one is 20 megapixel with Sony IMX486 sensor, f1.25 aperture. So let's start the phone. Mi logo. This handset is available in 5 colors: pink, red, blue, gold and black. I prefer black one. So MIUI 9, so their language option, English. So this is a normal setup. So let's try fingerprint lock. So this is the same features like Redmi Note 5 have. They're like full screen. So setup is complete. So wow, here is our phone. Let's see the specification in the phone in the setting. So Snapdragon 660, capacity 3010 mAh, rear camera 12 megapixel 20 megapixels, screen size 5.99 inch, resolution 2060 by 1080 and RAM 4. So this is MIUI 9.5, Android version 8.1, RAM 4 GB, CPU octa-core maximum 2.2 GHz. So internal storage 54 GB is available. Let's put the SIM card in this phone. So we can put two nano SIM card in this one. Face to screen, SIM 1, SIM 2. I have a Xiaomi Unicom SIM. So fingerprint scanner lock is good. So let's call the customer care first.
您好，欢迎致电中国联通客户服务热线。尊敬的用户，目前咨询话费的用户较多，人工作息忙，建议您避开话务高峰。
Voice is clear. Let's check the benchmark of this phone. So my device, so RAM is 3735 MB available. Let's test the benchmark. The score are 131,588. So not a bad score for a mid-range phone, and the temperature is 34 degree. It's good. So this phone look very similar to Redmi Note 5 Pro. You can see a little like the size is different. So I will compare these two phones in my coming video. So now let's see the camera. The camera of this phone have Sony IMX486 sensor, and it's really clear and it's awesome. So in the video they have time lapse and slow motion and setting, and the video quality, so this phone have 4K video also. Let's make a 4K video. Let's see. So here are some pictures which I collect today. It's really good. The camera is really good of this phone. And there. So this picture I collect in the evening, and it was also awesome. this is HDR mode on. Subway Surfer. Yes, a little bit smooth. So now let's play Pug, Eat Chicken. So I want to play this game on high definition mode and see does it lag, because it has Snapdragon 660, so I hopefully it doesn't lag. So let's change the camera setting. This is a medium range, so we can change to high definition, the third one. I will also give you a gaming review later. Just this is a test how it works in high definition. So it's smooth, doesn't lag. So we jumped, way to land, and it's really smooth. Maybe we can land here. So let's grab some guns and something. So yeah, so the game is playing smoothly, doesn't lag, nothing like that. So I will make another video for gaming review. So one person is left. So where? Yeah, so I won in this game. The first match I played, so the phone is really awesome. I killed 16 people. This is my best in this game till now. And the temperature of this phone is 40 degrees Celsius and a little hot from backside. Till now I didn't face any problem in this phone. I will make new videos about camera and gaming later. So please subscribe and press the bell icon.